Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electrodrive News, your source of electric vehicle and clean energy news. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a market that's expected to grow exponentially over the next few years. The global electric vehicle market is projected to reach an impressive $3,760 billion by 2034. That's according to the Research Insights, which has just released its latest report on the industry trends and forecasts. This staggering growth is driven by increasing demand for sustainable transportation solutions, tightening global emission standards, and advancements in battery technology. The electric vehicle sector is not only growing in numbers, but also in terms of innovation. We're seeing the emergence of new business models, such as subscription services and vehicle-sharing platforms, which are changing the way people interact with their vehicles. Battery manufacturers are playing a critical role in this growth, with many companies investing heavily in research and development to improve the range, efficiency, and affordability of electric vehicle batteries. The demand for metals used in the production of these batteries is also skyrocketing. Metals like lithium, nickel, and cobalt are essential components of the battery chemistry, and their prices are expected to rise significantly over the next few years. However, as the industry grows, so do concerns about the environmental and social impact of mining and processing these metals. Companies need to ensure that they're sourcing materials responsibly and sustainably. So what can we expect from this market in the coming years? Well, the Research Insights report highlights several key trends that will shape the future of electric vehicles. One trend is the increasing adoption of vehicle-to-grid technology, which allows electric vehicles to supply energy back into the grid when not in use. This not only reduces strain on the grid, but also provides a new revenue stream for vehicle owners. Another trend is the growth of autonomous driving and connected vehicle systems, which will revolutionize the way we interact with our vehicles and each other on the road. And then there's the rise of renewable energy systems and vehicle-to-grid technologies, which are transforming the way we think about energy production and consumption. In conclusion, the electric vehicle market is on track to become a major player in the global clean energy landscape. As the industry continues to evolve and innovate, it's essential for companies to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing consumer demands and regulatory requirements. That's all for today's episode of Electrodrive News. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.